Hello, everybody, how have you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can add watermark to your photo on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It's Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now to add watermark, there's no such special setting which you can just turn on. And every time you click a photo, the watermark is going to be shown over here. You need to add watermark on each of your photo individually. And you can only add text watermark, like let's say you have a logo you want to add it. You can do that. In order to add logo, you need to download a separate photo editing app and insert logo on each of your picture. To this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can add text watermark. Alright, so as I was saying, you can just click a photo over here and go over here and a watermark is going to be shown over here. There is no such setting in iPhone and you can do it. Alright, there are some things you need to do. So let's say you want to add watermark in this photo. So my name is Richard Kevin. So let's say I want to add watermark in this photo saying Richard Kevin. So every single time if somebody tries to steal this photo, they can't because the watermark is going to be over there. What you can do is go and edit, and then what you can do is click on the pen-looking icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on this plus icon at the bottom. And over here you need to click on versus text where it says text, double click on it and you can edit it. And over here you can write whichever thing you want. So my name is Richie Kevin. So YTCLGY space Kevin. So this is going to be my watermark. I can click on done over here and my watermark is going to be over here. And if I want to edit this watermark, what I can do is go on the pen look and icon at the top right corner of my screen again, click on read says which Kevin, click on edit. And once I click on which are given, there's going to be a double A button at the bottom. You can click on it and you can change the font as well. And you can even change this color as well. You can keep it to whichever thing you want. And once you're done, just click on done and it's done. If you want to change its placement, you can click on the pen icon again and click on this and drag it wherever you want. If you want to zoom it, you can hold on that little blue dot over there and you can widen it over here as well, just like this. You can just do whichever thing you want. You can play around with it, right click and done at the end, and a watermark has been added. Alright, so this is the only way you can add watermark on your iPhone right now. Click on done at the bottom again to confirm it. And it's done. So yeah. Sorry if you guys were not able to add extreme watermark. For that you need to use the editing software or photo editing software, alright, because iPhone doesn't support these kinds of settings. So hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.